beautiful.
Hello everyone! I hope you're all wearing your masks out there. I've got a package, which is very exciting. A couple of weeks ago, I showed you guys me opening a little satchel of the fabric banners that we are going to be releasing for the Kickstarter. Let me catch you up. So, I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple of weeks ago I opened a package with some of the sample banners. We did reorder them to go on some thicker fabric because I do find the colors are a little bit faint. Although I think the printing is still amazing and the file looks great. And considering the original artworks are like not even a quarter the size of this, they have been able to blow up really big. So it's very exciting. Oh gosh, I'm a little nervous because if this banner doesn't look good, then we might be in a little bit of trouble. So they've packaged it up into a roll. Before I open this though, in case you guys haven't seen in my video from last week, these are the proofs of the gold foil prints. They are super exclusive. You'll only be able to grab these on the Kickstarter. So we have one of the lovers, and then we also have one of the devil. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and that will be on the lower tier of the Kickstarter, so very excited for that. And then the higher tier is going to have the banners, so you can get just the prints in the lower tier, and then the higher tier you can get the banner and the prints. To be quite honest, the price that we've made them I think is super affordable, especially for limited edition artist exclusive stuff. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, they look incredible. Are you joking? Excuse me? That looks amazing. I can't even get over it. It looks amazing. So just for some comparison, original sample that we got is on this thinner polyester, which is fine and nice and flowy. For me, I just find it a little bit see-through, and color is so important in Zeke's lunchbox's world. So that's why we tried some different samples of fabric. Wow. And then we also ordered a sample, like a silky sample, which looks incredible. Oh my goodness. I don't even know which one I prefer. As you can see, the colors on the silky one are a little bit lighter, but I almost feel like the waviness and like the lightness suits it a little bit more. And as you can see, the canvas one, like the colors are richer, but I don't know if you can really tell with the movement. It's not as flowy. Don't know, decisions. So exciting, you guys. Hello everybody. So Rel and I are going to go out and take some more photos and videos of the banner here. The other day when we took photos and video, it was incredibly overexposed because we were just hanging out and having a proper weekend, and we're allowed to go out and go to restaurants and shops now in Australia, or in Melbourne, now that lockdown is over. We're just having a day out and thought while we were in the city to photograph and video some of the banner pieces. So yeah, you guys saw some behind the scenes of that. How you like them apples? And today we are he's going to help me out this morning and keep doing that. Banner the other day was really crinkly. Luckily I have another one. Obviously it can just be ironed, but I have one already that isn't crinkled because we went on public transport. Hang on, let me get this rose in because it's quite pretty. Because we went on public transport, it was folded up in my bag, it got crinkly. Anyway, this one isn't crinkled and it's beautiful and flat. And yeah, that's what we're going to do today. And hopefully I will have lots of content and lots of really nice photos to share with you guys soon, because that's been on my to-do list and trying to brainstorm how much content I can make to, you know, talk about the project and the Kickstarter. Very exciting. Look how incredible my rose bush is at the moment. She's bloomed.
Yeah, that's better. There we go.
Morning everyone, let me just place you down. Today I have to prepare everything for the Kickstarter launch. I'm still tweaking the page, the Kickstarter page. Just when we built it, you know, I realized like we really do need a lot more photos that are a lot more impressive and, I don't know, just aspirational and exciting. I want those photos as well because I need stuff to post online and get people excited and really truthfully show what they look like in person. So the shoot yesterday with Rel in the morning went well. It rhymed. It was a beautiful day in Melbourne yesterday because it was very, very sunny, but still fresh. So it was lovely. Those photos went really well. I'll pop them all up here. And I also made like a TikTok. I took a bunch of photos, or Rel took a bunch of photos. I edited all of those yesterday and I'm really happy with what it all looks like. It turned out exactly what I wanted them to look like. So yeah, happy with that. But today I have to shoot the gold foil prints because I still haven't done that. And then I also need to shoot the prints together in a photo because right now I just have them in a mock-up with the animation that Rel has made for me. He's such a sweetheart. The fact that he just does all of this stuff for me for free, he's just truly the best. Yeah, so I have to shoot the prints and then I also have to shoot the banner. Basically, it's just a photo shoot day. Hopefully, maybe I'll be able in the evening. I'll get to do the 7 of Wands. I'd really like to finish that. Well, I wanted to finish that yesterday, but it just wasn't gonna happen. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. So this is what the prints look like so far. Not so far, this is what the prints look like. You can see all of the gold foil elements there. The paper stock is different from my original prints. So my prints in my store, as you can see, are a lot smaller. These are A4 and these are A3. On the Kickstarter, I'll have it all up in inches for my US friends as well. I don't remember it off the top of my head. The paper stock is very different too. So you can see here is the shiny version. With my standard prints that are in my store, you can see that it's got a matte sheen to them. So the paper stock is a little different to the limited edition prints. You can see there's absolutely no sheen to these. So the paper stock is a bit more high quality and more matte as well. So I personally find that the quality of the printing is definitely a lot sharper and honestly they just look incredible. I think the devil, especially with the contrast with the blue, it just looks insane. So I'm really happy and excited about the limited edition prints. Another difference is that I've taken away the framing of the art prints. So this is what the actual tarot cards are going to look like, but with the limited edition ones, I've taken away the white border and the number up the top. I've also placed the writing outside of the artwork, so you get a lot more artwork. So not only is it bigger in size, but you get elements taken away so you can really focus on the actual art. But you guys, this is it. They will only be available on the Kickstarter. I will not have them past the Kickstarter in my store. So if you are interested in getting them and helping the Kickstarter and helping the tarot card project come to life, I'm telling you right now, this is the absolute golden opportunity for you guys to help the project. And you know, this isn't just my project, this is our project. All of these artworks are based on your feedback over the years, and you guys have helped so much to create this. So let's keep working as a team and get this Kickstarter going. Hello, my loves. A couple of days since I checked in with you guys since the photo shoot. So for this vlog, I had filmed some actual painting or digital painting and a couple of the Arcana cards, but I think I'm just going to save it for a different vlog because I really want to celebrate just, you know, the behind the scenes of the Kickstarter and how much work it is to put a Kickstarter together. I grossly underestimated how long it would take us to, you know, have all the photos and have all the content and do all the marketing, and that was just for the ramp up, which is... Gee, be quiet! Oh my god, I'm trying to do a vlog here. Yeah, grossly underestimated how much. I knew it was going to be a lot of work, but it's so much more work than you think it's going to be. As you can see, I have a Christmas tree up, so it's getting late in the end of the year. It is, what, the 25th today. We launched. Oh my god, I'm all over the place. Gee, be quiet. Seriously, I'm getting so annoyed and frustrated at you. Okay. Love that we have a sriracha bottle on the coffee table, of course. Oh my god, let me just get to the Kickstarter. Everyone be quiet. And by everyone, I mean the one cat that is annoying me right now. We launched the Kickstarter almost 12 hours ago, a little over 12 hours ago, and as of 2:48 on Wednesday, the 25th of November 2020, have 20 backers so far, which means that we are almost at 100% funding, which is awesome and amazing, and thank you guys so much for, you know, following along. I know I've done a really poor job at telling everybody on YouTube what's happening, and I know so many of you guys just want to see me making art and not trying to sell art to you, but it's just the way that it's gotta be. I really appreciate everybody really believing in this project and being so excited about it. And just to clarify, because I am still getting a couple of questions, this is the mini Kickstarter, so it's just a way for us to be recognized by the Kickstarter platform. So when we do the big one, we can be a little bit higher up in the suggestions of the algorithm, and especially having a successful Kickstarter at a smaller goal, it just makes us look a lot more reputable, and it's the reason why we're, you know, really doing the mini Kickstarter. It means that you guys get used to the platform, we get used to knowing exactly what is involved, because the big Kickstarter in 2021 requires so much more work. Testing out what we need to do and learning all the kinks is really essential, and then also the Kickstarter platform recognizes us and sees us as a lot more reputable as well. This is the mini Kickstarter. I know I got a couple of DMs of people saying that they're disappointed the deck isn't here, but I feel like I've communicated that this is the mini Kickstarter, and it has the 2 prints and the wall hanging, and the deck is coming in 2021. The funds for this mini Kickstarter are still really essential to making the tarot deck happen. So the more money we raise, the more of a security blanket we have. It just means that we have that extra bit of padding. If we need to spend a little bit of money on extra marketing, we have a little pool to pull from. Otherwise, you know, we'll really be going into debt without some extra help. None of this money has been profit at all. It's all just to, you know, be self-sufficient. So it's been pretty stressful financially for everybody this year. But yeah, it's just really risky, and I know it's just a really hard time, and 2020 has been very rough for so many people. So, you know, for everybody who's able to support, I really appreciate it. It makes such a big difference. difference. You're putting your money to a small creator rather than, you know, Amazon or all those other massive websites that have plenty of our money already. Thank you guys so much for supporting the project. The Kickstarter is still running until the 19th of December, so a couple more videos of me talking about it. Please follow along on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok if you want to see everything in between. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for pledging. You guys are the best. I love you so much. I'm sure there's so much more information that I need to tell you, but too much. I'm burnt out. I'm really reaching capacity, so I need all the support from you guys as much as possible. Thank you. Please comment your favorite, I don't know, cat, animal, color, anything to boost this video in the algorithm. I would greatly appreciate. Tell me your favorite dad joke in the comments below. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.